Okay, Papa. Mom said you're in charge of chai today. Are you sure you know the secret recipe?
The secret to perfect chai isn't just a recipe, Vihaan. It's chemistry. A perfect balance of solids, liquids, and gases. But my textbook is a little more hands-on. Come with me. Let me show you something. Let the chai boil in the meantime.
Whoa! What is that?
My little side project. I call it the molecular visualizer. Watch. It scans the molecules and creates a shared dream almost. It links directly to our minds. It might feel a little weird at first, but just go with it. You'll feel like you're really there. Ready? Just close your eyes and listen.
Whoa! We're inside the sugar cube.
This is the solid state. See how the molecules are locked in a tight, organized pattern? Now, let's simulate adding energy. The lattice starts to break apart as heat is simulated. Welcome to the liquid state. The molecules are breaking free. They can flow now.
It's breaking apart. The ground is becoming slippery.
Exactly. And if we give them even more energy, they become a gas, and we start to float.
That was incredible!
Now let's look at solubility, why some things disappear and others don't. Close your eyes again.
Papa, this is amazing! The whole world is made of these tiny glowing things. We're on the sugar cube now. Let's jump in. Wow! Look! The water molecules are pulling the crystal apart. It's like it's melting, but without any heat.
Exactly. The sugar is soluble, so you see it disappearing into the liquid slowly. But look over there.
The ginger pieces. The water molecules are just bouncing right off them.
Nice catch. Feel that? It's completely solid, isn't it?
So the ginger is insoluble.
That's right. Now watch the tea powder.
It's not dissolving like the sugar. It's just infusing the water with color. So all those little bits we strain out are the insoluble parts that the water couldn't break down.
You've got it. That's the difference between a mixture and a true solution. Now, there's one last type of change I want to show you. We saw how the sugar dissolving was a physical change. It was still sugar, just mixed in. Tearing this paper is another physical change. The pieces are smaller, but the substance is still paper.
Because the molecules haven't changed.
Precisely, but some changes are permanent. Let's see what a chemical change looks like. Close your eyes again.
Whoa! The paper molecules aren't just separating, they're being completely torn apart. The atoms are breaking their bonds and forming brand new molecules. That dark stuff, that's not paper anymore.
That's a chemical change, an energetic transformation that creates a new substance, like ash. You can't reverse this. So, everything we saw, we can break it down simply. Let me show you something and we can recap. First, the states of matter.
Solid, liquid, and gas, all depending on how much energy the molecules have. As energy increases, solids change to liquids and liquids change to gases.
Exactly. Then, solubility.
That's about attraction. Water molecules are like tiny magnets. They can pull apart some things, like sugar, but not others, like ginger. Solubility is the ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent. Insoluble means the substance does not dissolve in the solvent.
Perfect. And finally, the two types of change.
Physical changes, like tearing paper, just change the form. But chemical changes, like burning, create a whole new substance. You can't go back. In physical changes, no new substance is formed. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed.
All right, time to enjoy the results of our experiment.
It's amazing to think this perfect cup of chai is a balance of everything we just saw.
How so?
Well, we used a physical change, heat, to turn liquid water into a gas. The sugar dissolved, another physical change, to make a solution. But the ginger and tea were insoluble, so they just made a mixture.
And the taste? That amazing aroma?
That's the chemical change. The heat made all the ingredients react to create brand new flavors, the chemistry of chai.
Exactly. The best kind of science. You've got it. You're a natural scientist, Vihaan.
Thanks, Dad.